Bunmi. It's my birthday. Well, not exactly today, but I am a September baby, and I want to tell you about my business birthday bash that I'm having at my house on the 22nd of this month. Now, yes, you are invited. Now, I know the overwhelming majority of people watching this video, you're not going to attend and you don't even live near me, but my heart is in the right place. I'm not just inviting arbitrary people, but if you were in my email group, we probably had some sort of business association over the last, I don't know, 5, 10, 3 years or something. So this is what I want to tell you guys. Now, I'm going to tell you what's going to be going on here on the 22nd of September. But for real though, if you are in the Maryland area or you want to drive a couple hours to celebrate with us, then you give me a call, okay? You know my number, 443-864-9440. So what's happening at my house on the 22nd? So I'm having a business birthday bash. Now, about 2 videos ago, you saw me talking about how I was really excited of something new that I'm launching off. And anytime that you are embarking upon a new enterprise, a new stream of income, well, what do? You need to tell folks. I think you need to celebrate. One of the things I teach people in business consulting is that amateurs start businesses, but professionals launch them. And my parents taught me a long time ago that making money and having fun should go together. So we're going to have some fun celebrating my birthday and the launch of my new business. So when you get here on Saturday, it's going to be an opportunity for you to network. Yep, whatever you're doing, you'll be able to share that with other people, share your product and your product benefits and meet really good, really mobile people. So you'll be able to do that. Then I'm going to be sharing, well, actually I have a special guest who's going to be sharing some information as it relates to how you as business owners or even W-2 employees can better your financial situation and really make wealth real in your life. This is some information that we need to hear. Wake up, people. There is a wealth gap between us and them. Would you like to close the gap? Well, I've got some great information that we need to open our minds and not just hear, but apply. And it's not enough nowadays just to know information, but we got to know the how-tos. Ooh, I don't even want to get off on that, the how-tos. Well, I'm going to help you to make wealth real with this information you're going to get at my house. And we're going to do it in a fun way. And yes, I'm going to have some light food for you guys. We're going to have some music and just a great time. We're going to do this all within 2 hours. Now, if you want to hang around for some extra fun, you can do that too. But it's from 3 to 5 on Saturday the 22nd. So I just wanted to make this video and come out to you to let you know about Bunmi's birthday bash happening on the 22nd. So give me a call if you want to hang out and be around some good people. 443-864-9440. Food, fun, fellowship, and most of all, really life-changing information that can impact your family for generations and just make you say, you know what, I am so glad I got this information. So thank you for joining me with the launch of my new business enterprise. I am so excited about it. Stay tuned, more videos to come. Remember, RSVP, like really soon, okay? Call me, 443-864-9440.